Hey there, Goldwing fans and Goldwing riders. Well, I guess it's finally here, right? The Goldwing 50th Anniversary Edition has landed, and there's a ton of stuff on the Goldwing website. But is it new? Let's talk about it.
Hey Renee, you want to race down to the dealership and pick up a 2025 Goldwing?
Wait, do I detect a little, negativity and cynicism in your voice?
Not at all. I'm super thrilled with all of the sameness and lack of innovation.
Yeah, that does fuel up my rage gauge, and I'm really curious what you guys out there think as well.
Yeah, make sure to leave a comment and let us know what you guys think.
Okay. So let's talk about some of these changes that Honda has claimed on the website, right? That
What
they're
changes?
hiding. All right. Well, I know at first glance, right? Well, it says new colors for all trim levels, but I got to say that sort of gold anniversary
The
edition,
Aspencade colors.
it's ringing Aspencade color to me, like 84, 85,
Yeah,
86,
That's
right?
pretty cool.
Yeah, for some people. I mean, I already
I like it.
I've seen on the forum some people have been making some negative comments.
Yeah, it's
you
a
know.
throwback.
I personally, kids of the 80s, we like it, right? All right, so new colors for all trim levels. Apple CarPlay and Android can now be used wirelessly, right? Because I know everyone talks about the nightmares they've had trying to get, everything to hook up in the past. It hasn't been user-friendly, right? So then it goes on to say, given the widespread adoption of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the Goldwing's native navigation system has been eliminated for 2025. Now, I know everybody also, well, most everyone has been complaining about the navigation system.
And rightly so.
Right. Does this mean it's completely gone?
So now it has no navigation? Is that what we're to understand?
All right. That's what I'm reading. I think, we got to confirm this with each other. Leave a comment if you know more than we do.
That's not hard.
That's not hard.
Right.
Since 1975 has been added to the Goldwing logo that appears at the meter's opening ceremonies when it's turned on. So the graphics now have this, Goldwing since 1975 logo. And that's also looks like it's on the bottom of the instrument panel as well.
Yeah, that's one of the big changes.
On standard versions, the Goldwing logo across the saddlebags and side fairings adds a bold styling treatment. The 50th anniversary badge is situated in front of the seat. That's what I was mentioning before. And on the smart key commemorating the Goldwing's important milestone, right?
Yeah.
And they say this is on all versions except the light silver metallic.
Who cares?
For model year 2025, all Goldwing versions in Eternal Gold, Bordeaux Red Metallic, and Matte Black Metallic, but not Silver Metallic, come with 2 free commemorative gifts, right? You get a coffee table book and a tabletop 3D 1/12 scale model. And that model features a 75 Goldwing on one side and a 2025 Goldwing on the other.
Well, that settles it. We're definitely getting a 2025 Goldwing then.
I don't know, guys. I mean, is this enough to make you get into the showroom? I don't know.
Talk about dropping the ball on marketing, 50th anniversary.
I mean, what an opportunity that's missed.
That's just missed. Yeah, absolutely.
Right? Do you guys agree? I mean, we have been teased with so many rumors,
upgrades,
and so many patents and whatnot.
Absolutely.
And even on our channel, we've covered so many of these, and we just thought we'd see some changes, and I guess we were wrong. But
so at the end of the day, could we still call this the most advanced and cutting edge touring motorcycle out there?
I don't know. Well, I mean, if you're just getting into the market, it's a good bike to buy. But for folks who are looking to upgrade from an older model, I just don't think there's enough there to make, well, it's not enough for us to get into the showroom, is it?
Check out the new Indian.
Check out the new Indian. All right, folks, we'll talk to you later. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think.